Okay, so let's take a look at some of the distribution methods available to us now. First thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and enter the File tab to open the Backstage view. Now, I'll take a chance to note that I have added a video into our presentation so that we can take a look at some of the preparation features that are available to us. In this case, you'll notice that the Compress Media button is activated here, and there are some bullet points noted under media size and performance. Specifically, the fact that it points out that we have a video that is occupying a significant amount of size. It also indicates that the video contains trimmed regions, which means there's an opportunity to optimize the space usage by discarding extra video that will never be seen. So if we click on the Compress Media button, it's going to give us some options as to the extent to which we want to actually compress the video to save space. If we want to distribute this over email or something like that, we're probably going to want to go with internet quality or low quality. So we'll go with internet quality. It'll perform the compression. When this dialog box pops up, you can see that it's completed and there's the amount of space that was saved, so that when we return, we can actually see now the media files occupy only 2.2 megabytes. And it indicates there's the quality that has been compressed down to. So you can see you can prepare your presentations before you actually go to distribute them to optimize your space usage in the cases where media is present. And also, previously we had pointed out that you can actually open individual items or images and you can compress those individually as well. So with that, let's go over and take a look at what sharing options are available to us. So as you recall from the whiteboard screen, we saw that you can distribute through a variety of methods, such as email as an attachment or a link. You can present online. If I wanted to present online, it would give me an opportunity to put the presentation onto a URL and have people connect to that URL so that they could actually see things live in real time. Note that if you use Present Online, you will need some type of audio tool, such as initiating a link conversation so that they can actually hear the audio to go along with the presentation. Otherwise, they will just be viewing the slides without actually hearing anything. We can publish slides to a SharePoint folder, which you will take a look at in the demo simulation. And also, we have a variety of export options available to us. We can create a document out of it. So if we want to distribute something as a document that people cannot edit, but they can read, you can choose PDF or XPS format. If I wanted to create a video, I can actually, instead of distributing the PowerPoint presentation as a file to be opened and slides to view, you can actually distribute it as a video, and it will take care of putting everything together for you and creating an MP4 video as the output. We looked at packaging the presentation for CD earlier, and you can also create handouts. And then finally, let's go ahead and take a look at changing the PowerPoint type to a PowerPoint show. A PowerPoint show is a different file extension where if the presentation is opened up, it'll automatically start in presentation view as opposed to in edit view where people are inclined to try and change the slides. Now, in the next lesson, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and look at how to protect these, but for now, I'll give you a chance to explore one last distribution method, which is working with SharePoint and workflows.